Diddy's former bodyguard Gene Deal just got barred from the trial after a courthouse brawl. Gene Deal punched out and knocked out D-Not. No arrests, but he's off limits for a few days. Deal made headlines all year, ripping into Diddy's alleged abuse. In a recent interview, he called Cassie's testimony demonic. Cassie described years of abuse, and even Don Richard and Kid Cudi have now testified. Want every update on the Diddy trial? Hit that follow button and ring the bell. Don't miss a beat.
I'm not the type of dude that you can come up on like
Bro,
that.
listen. We out here
What kind of content?
You're not gonna tell me what to do.
You can't come up on me.
Bro, listen.
If you come up on me, I'm gonna knock you the fuck out.
That's what I say.
You gonna
That's
do
what
what?
I say. That's what I say.
Bro.
That's what I say. No, bro, shit.
Why
I
y'all
said
got
I'm a
this lady
bitch.
at the court?
You gonna misgender me now? Now it's fucking anti-Asian because I'm Asian. So now you harassing me.
Bro,
I am protected by
can't do that.
anti-Asian hate crime.
Go down the road
Now
with that.
And you the same size as Uncle Bill. And you the same size.
Hey, what's going on?
As Professor Ogilvy. And you the same size.
Hello, Miss Lady.
As
How are you? Okay.